Hey there, science enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the exciting world of the Japace 100 Plus Experiments Science Kit, perfect for kids aged 4 to 12 who are eager to explore the wonders of chemistry and physics. This incredible STEM kit offers over 100 engaging experiments, from creating fizzy reactions and underwater volcanoes to soap making and crystal growing trees, sparking curiosity and cognitive development in young minds. With a comprehensive set of scientific tools like beakers, measuring cups, test tubes, and more, your little ones can pretend to be real scientists, conducting fun and educational experiments that keep them entertained for hours. The easy-to-follow instructions, complete with photos, ensure that even the youngest budding scientists can enjoy a seamless learning experience. Safety is a top priority, as the Japace kit conforms to U.S. toy safety requirements, providing a secure environment for kids to develop essential skills like problem-solving, decision-making, and perseverance. This educational gift is perfect for curious minds, making it an excellent choice for Christmas, birthdays, or just a fun weekend activity with family. So, get ready to embark on a scientific adventure with your kids and watch as they transform into little scientists right before your eyes. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.